Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful whipped cream rose. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure your cream is chilled, as this is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. A stand mixer or hand mixer with a whisk attachment will make this process much easier and more efficient for you. Now let's get whipping. Pour your cold cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla into a chilled bowl. Start your mixer on medium-high speed. You'll see soft peaks begin to form after about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep whipping until the cream holds stiff, defined peaks that stand up straight. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your lovely cream grainy. With your perfectly whipped cream ready, it's time to pipe. Load your cream into a piping bag fitted with a pedal tip, like a 104. Start by piping a small cone for the center bud. Then, hold the wider end of the tip against the base of your rose and pipe small, overlapping petals. Gently rotate your surface as you work, creating a beautiful, natural-looking bloom. To perfect your rose, remember to build from the inside out. Start with a small, tight bud, then add your first layer of petals. As you add more layers, make them slightly larger and more open. Continuously rotate your cake or surface to ensure even petal placement and a symmetrical shape. Once complete, chill your beautiful whipped cream roses for at least 30 minutes to help them firm up and hold their exquisite form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.